So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable the keyboard vibration on your Samsung Galaxy A56. So in order for you to customize this feature, you want to start by navigating to Settings. Under Settings, you want to scroll and select Sounds and Vibration. Then you want to look for the option System Vibration and select it. From here, you should see Samsung keyboard with a toggle next to it. So currently it's enabled, which is why whenever I'm typing with my keyboard on my A56, I can feel vibration as I press on each key. If you want to disable that vibration, so you no longer want to be able to feel it, then you can just tap on the toggle next to Samsung keyboard. And now, whenever I go to type, I can no longer feel a vibration whenever I press on any of the keys. Again, if I want to return the vibration, just tap on the toggle and then the vibrations will be restored. So it's completely up to you to decide how you're going to use this feature. You'll also have the option of increasing or decreasing the system vibration intensity, which will also increase or decrease the Samsung keyboard vibration intensity. So you can slide to the left to decrease it and slide to the right to increase it. It's completely up to you to decide how you're going to customize this function. And so that's how you can enable or disable the keyboard vibrations on your Galaxy A56. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.